On a recent trip up to the grandparents, Papa John asked me to go out driving with him. We decided to go north on M22, or what some people call Scenic 22. As you travel that stretch of highway, you see many different things, from turnouts to parks and lakes. However, nestled away near Honor, Michigan, is a nearly forgotten place called Peterson Beach. If you take the dirt road that goes there, it is about a mile or two through a forest, and when you come to the beach, you don't see it until you are right up on the parking lot. There are usually only a few cars there, and there is a beautiful view of Lake Michigan and Sleeping Bear Dunes.